Hello, thanks for watching this Tech to Connect video tutorial. The topic of this tutorial is camera and photos on your Amazon Fire. To access the camera on your Amazon Fire, you will first turn on and open your tablet. On your homepage, locate and open the camera app. This app looks like the lens of a camera. This will automatically turn on the back-facing camera of your tablet. You may not see anything on my screen as I have a cover on the back of my tablet. To change to the front-facing camera, press on the 3 white dots in the right bottom corner. The 3 white dots will be replaced with the image of 2 circling arrows. Tapping on this will switch the camera to the front-facing camera. And now you should be able to see yourself. To take a photo, tap on the large gray circle near the bottom of your screen. To see the photos you have taken and saved onto your tablet, you can touch the white circle with the image of mountains inside of it. This will take you to your camera roll. As you can see, the photo I have just taken is on the screen. You can also access these photos by going to your homepage and tapping on the Photos app, which is light blue with the word Photos in white text. Congratulations, you have learned how to use the camera and access your photos on your Amazon Fire. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to check out the rest of our video tutorials on the Tech to Connect website.